Hi everyone, today we are going to explain black comedy and we are also going to explain that how it is different from other comedies. But if you are new to my lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. Well, what is black comedy? Basically, first you should know that black comedy is also known as dark comedy or black humor. So you should keep it in mind. Actually, black comedy is not something strange, but it is a type of comedy, but it is a little bit different from normal comedies. So the question is how? So the answer is black comedy is a genre of comedy that deals with taboo subjects such as death, slavery, sexuality, war, and violence, etc., in a humorous way. I think this definition is enough to understand black comedy because it clearly says that black comedy is nothing but a type of comedy which depicts taboo and serious subjects in a funny manner, right? Like human suffering, war, and violence, etc. Simply, there are many topics which are considered taboo in our societies, and people do not talk about it in a funny manner. So you can say when that taboo and serious matters are depicted in a comedy, that is simply call it what? Black comedy. You can take the example of Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. Basically, this play contains several moments of dark humor, such as when the two characters try to suicide and engage in violent behavior towards each other. So you can say simply that suicide is considered to be a taboo or serious act, but in this play it is also presented in a humorous way. So that is what that is black comedy. Well guys, this was a short video about black comedy and you people have asked about it, but if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to my channel. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.